Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Bug, and today I am here in Tokyo, Japan at the train station. I'm going to try to get back to my accommodation. Apparently I have to find the Ginza line. There's a lot going on here. It's a Saturday, so it's extra busy. Let's do it.
Linda has a travel bug, traveling near and far, through cities and jungles, beneath the twinkling stars.
So this is Shibuya Station, and there's the Ginza line. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just a madhouse. And here is a really neat little foodie central. It's like full of desserts and stuff, but anyway, let's get back to what I was actually trying to do in the first place, which is find my way home. Lots of shops. Okay, so you go to the escalator and you have to be on the left-hand side. For you Americans, you can't be on the right-hand side. You have to be on the left-hand side like the Europeans do. I think I have to buy a ticket once we get into the station. All right. Just gonna have to do this. All right, a one-way ticket. Here we go. All right. English. Purchase a ticket. Oh, that's loud. For, I guess you can't do two adults at once. You can only do one. Okay. Hold on. I'm getting. Ooh, this one? Okay.
Please insert money or card.
Okay.
If you need a receipt, touch the receipt button.
Very confusing. I'm gonna try this.
Please insert money or card.
Hold on. I have to get another card. This isn't gonna work. Where do I put it?
Operation canceled. Please take your IC card and change.
So apparently I cannot use a credit card, and I've tried everything. I've tried the Visa, I've tried every kind of card imaginable, and it will not work for me. It won't light up, and when it does light up and I stick the card in, it's like it spits it back out and says it's canceled. So now I'm going to go back over to this other part and see if I can get somebody to help me exchange the money. So confusing. Okay, so we came from over here. I'm looking for like a place where I can exchange money, like a money exchange.
We don't have money exchange here, so you should go to Shibuya City.
Okay.
And there's a money exchanger called Travelers.
Okay, so
We are here.
okay.
Travelers.
We're so confused.
We are connecting to the third floor.
Oh, third floor?
Yes.
Okay.
Take the escalator, go up, and there's a bridge to the Mercy.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. This is absolutely insane. Just to change some money to be able to buy a train ticket. Insanity. And this is why it gives me a panic attack every time I try to do something in Japan. Wait, there it is. I see it. Ha. Ha ha ha. And you get past this like Frogger. Hello, konnichiwa. I would like to exchange some money. Can I do 50?
Also, we cannot break this.
You can't break it? Okay, then 100.
It's okay.
Hopefully it's not too bad of an exchange
Right
rate.
now, this is our exchange rate for $1.
How much for the full 100?
For $1, this is the Japanese yen, and your $100 will be this much. 13,190.
Hold on, let me look and see how much that is. Sorry. Wow. So I'm losing about $7.
$7.48. $7 to do the exchange.
That's tough, man.
You're getting on the train or not doing?
Okay. Yes.
Thank you for waiting. Here's your receipt. US dollar $100 exchange rate and your Japanese yen. Plus, I took your 10 yen, so that this is your Japanese.
Perfect. Okay, thank you. Or arigato. Moshimasu.
This is 200.
Okay, there's the 200. Okay.
And 10,000, 10, 11, 12, 13,000.
Okay. Is there any way you can break up one of them? For
Okay, this is 5,000.
the 1,000 one.
No,
Can
no,
we-
10,000 is more.
Oh, 10,000 smaller? This is a
break this
1,000?
up.
1,000. Do you want
Yes.
to break this one or that one?
Yeah, break that up. Okay. Yeah, that is kind of big.
No
huh?
sleep.
Okay, sorry. It's been a long day. Okay, so see, that's 14. Whoa, it makes me so nervous. Wait, or 4, is that 14,000? That's 10, yeah. 11, 12, 13. And then
13.
that's 13.
13 too. Well,
Yeah, 13,200.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. Okay, so
buy a ticket.
let's go buy a ticket with this money. Boy. Now, here we go again. Combination, what's that? All right, so Shibuya, no,
Hey.
A Akuta, Akusa,
Please insert money or
Asakusa, that's it. And then
receipt button.
I want to do more than one adult. I cannot. Okay, so just go on, take my money.
Please insert money or card.
I did. Please don't steal my money. That's a lot. Oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, there's one, and I got to get one more. Here's one for you.
No.
No. No.
Yes.
Yes. No. I'm so
You're
tired.
gonna have to do.
What is it called?
No.
What's it called? S.
Please insert money or card. If you need a receipt, touch the receipt
Okay,
button.
so how much is this? 260? That's 100. Wait. 1, 200, and then 500. Shoot. All right.
Insufficient amount inserted.
Bull. Got this.
Thank you. Please not to forget to take your card.
Wow. That is a lot of change I got to keep up with. Ooh. All right. Now you have to keep this ticket because if you don't, then you can't get out of the station. And that's no good. And here we go with the panic attack again. I don't know if this is gonna be possible. Maybe it's possible. Well, anyway, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed that video. I know I did. Bye.
Linda has a child.